This is a 1932 Ford Model BB dump truck. Beautiful condition, dark green with black fenders. The Series BB replaced the AA truck. This one has a 4-cylinder engine, although an 8 was available too. So this could match the load requirements. Notice the windshield that pivots outward. Too bad we really can't see in detail the interior, but you can see there the beautiful upholstery, so it's very nice. Notice the chassis is exposed here, along with the hydraulics that raise that truck bed. Notice the double wheels here in the back. Very nice trim there on the side rails. Just beautiful condition. And there we see the bed of the dump truck. Looks in great shape. This certainly had to be a labor of love to get the truck back into this like new condition. Notice the exhaust pipe only going back just beyond the beginning of the bed. And here's a plate that indicates who made that lift. That's a beautiful truck.